Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about this black ginseng honey. This has black ginseng extract, honey, and oligosaccharide, and this is good for substituting sugar. So instead of using sugar, you can use this to mix it with water to drink, or when you're cooking, you can use this to use instead of sugar. And the taste is really good. It's not too sweet, but it's really great when you make tea or coffee, and you can just also drink it with water. I'll give you a close-up of this item, what it looks like, and to show you the consistency. It's not too thick, but if you see it dripping, thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe with our channel, and make sure you press like,